Happy Valentine's, Dad!
Thank you, guys.
Ari ka dari dapit, Dad. Anak kay landag.
Mommy, you could have at least taken off the tag.
It's okay.
That's for my
Casey.
braces.
It's
Thank you,
okay.
Casey. Give me.
Oh, I'll be in the video.
Okay, I'll turn it up.
What happened? You stop. Did you stop?
Oh.
It's okay. Our heart is not stuck to you.
Oh, there you go. Honey, our love will last forever.
Oh my gosh, look at Rosie.
I know,
Look at
baby.
Rosie.
I
She
know.
ripping the paper up.
Happy
I know.
Valentine's.
Girl, you're crazy.
Happy Valentine's. I hope you and your mommy had a good day.
Look at Daddy how he read.
Day.
She needs a flashlight, Casey.
We love you always, forever.
Amen.
Which is more than I can see for our, what's this? Matriz?
Yeah.
Huh?
Look at the picture in the front.
Oh, happy Valentine's Day to my adorable husband. Hey, that's me.
And
And I can thank you enough for you do in our family.
for all you
For
do.
all you do in our family. Always remember, no matter what, Casey and I are always love you more.
Always here for you.
Always for you. I love you. Hey, love you guys.
Sana, muro magatiniguang na binasa.
Di ka na I need some lights. And
You need your
reading
eyeglasses.
glasses. Not eyeglasses.
You will
reading
get yours
glasses.
soon. We have appointment soon.
But
Okay.
I'm good with thing, but something like this, especially at night. Yeah.
Okay, all right, accepted. Next,
Mm.
open it.
Don't choose the paper yet.
I know, I got it.
Why?
Take the flower.
Don't get the frame yet. Don't get the frame yet.
Casey made that for you.
Thank you, Nak.
That's from me and Casey.
Thank you. Where is it?
Next.
Let's go. Wait, where did you find this? I'm about to get it tomorrow. Unahan ko ninyo. Where's mommy?
He really needs a light. What are you doing?
Hi! Pangit man ako sa pangit niyo. Pero kayo rin mananamin. Pangit din kayo.
Show me the picture, Dad.
It's you.
Show me the picture.
Oh my goodness.
Show me the picture. That's.
Look. Look.
Hold on.
That's my result. I got plastic surgery.
Show it to me. Give it to Daddy and show it to me.
See, look guys. This is me. I got plastic surgery. Now look what I got. See that? Pangit man ako.
Ask whose idea is it?
I know, that's Kiss's idea. She showed me already long time ago. Oh my God! See, that's how you get.
You look like a lollipop lips. You look like Angelina Jolie.
Hey, thank you, Nak.
Okay, show it
You
again.
better keep that in your room forever.
Yeah.
That's me. Plastic surgery. See that?
What else do you have in there, Daddy? No more?
I don't know. This is the one she took it. I think that was it. Okay, show. It's over. What's this?
I'll put it on his face. Come on, baby. Put it to his
How you
face.
do it?
Ikaw na.
This is mine?
Yeah.
But to put on your face gives you hydration.
Oh, no, not now.
It's a face mask.
Face mask.
Yeah.
Gives you
I know, but
hydration.
result like this. No.
So how's
Give
your
you very glowy
Valentine's Day,
skin.
Daddy?
Good.
Good.
This is my Valentine's right here. Thank you.
Thank you. That's all you say? Thank you?
Yeah, thank you guys and kiss.
Kiss. Hold on. Say happy Valentine's
She's
to
trying to get
all. Happy
trying to get out.
Valentine's.
No,
Happy
Rosie's trying to
Valentine's.
get out.
I know her.
Rosie. Oh, Rosie.
Happy Valentine's, baby.
Rosie. Happy
Alright, thank you,
Valentine's,
guys.
guys,
Happy
for all
Valentine's.
family out there.
Yeah. To Patrice and her family.
Patrice,
We'll see you tomorrow, guys.
see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Hey, let me see my figure in that. Ooh,
Oh,
period.
Oh my